welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from nothing to at least $1,000 per month in profit by publishing low and no content books on Amazon. So this is the sales page for my course, the Royalty Accelerator, and I just wanted to show you this just to remind you of how quickly things can improve and change for you. So here you go, this is March 2019. This is the day where I published my very first book. So I put Red Bull makes me do bad things like publish books on Amazon. And that's March the 31st, 2019. And you can see very, very quickly we started increasing our income. I literally didn't even have a job at this point. I was doing Deliveroo and building work. So other than that, I wasn't making any money. And then you can see we just kept going all the way up there to where we had $1,000 in October. And then December quarter four was pretty crazy. And quarter four is actually going to be the subject of today's video. So I'm going to show you roughly where we are in the quarter and how much you can expect your royalties to increase from here on in, and when you should expect the sales to also die down. So this is the page to the Royalty Accelerator. If you do want to join, then you can see it's only $97 with a link in the description of this video. So without any further ado, let's go into it. And I'm also going to show you at the end of the video, is there time to publish new books? So we'll get into that and some other juicy stuff as well that's going to be really helpful to you. So you can see I've just gone on book report here and we're on quarter four 2019. So this is last year. So you can see now I've got 2,068 books, but back then I probably only had 1,000 books or something. So this quarter four is much, much bigger. So you can see down here I was doing $30, $40, $20 a day. And then towards the start of November, it started to pick up where we were doing minimum $50 a day. And then this is where we are now on November the 23rd, 2020. Obviously, this one's 2019. So you can see from here all the way up to the peak, this is where really everything started to go crazy. And this is where we went all the way up to 378. So that's pretty much tripled. So if you take what your royalty is today, I'm not saying this is fact or certain, but it's possible that if you've got the right types of books, the books that I've been showing you how to make, it's possible that whatever today's, yesterday's, roughly around that royalties are for you, it's possible that that number can still triple to where you can make something crazy like $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 in a day. So I really hope that you've been working hard and you're going to get an insane quarter four, something like this, or hopefully even better than mine was or mine is right now. So you can see after that, December the 14th, the sales really started to drop. They were still pretty amazing, like 300, 185, and then you can see down there, December the 25th, obviously the postman is not working, Amazon is not working, so the royalties was zero. And then after that, pretty low down there. Obviously everyone is all spent, maybe sleeping on the couch after Christmas, so back down to $25 or $30 a day there. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens after Christmas this year again. And just to show you, I don't want to give everything away because I do want to make a different video showing you my quarter four royalties. But in this video, I will just show you this. This is the last week, so $3,000 in the last week alone. You can see there was 583. If I actually went on the royalties estimator, that's above 600. It was something like 614. It was like 250 something sales in one day. So pretty incredible. Obviously that's a Sunday there, 304. So it's a little bit low. I think we're already ahead of that today and it's only like midday. So things are going pretty insane. So I will make a video for you to show you this. And yeah, like I say, everything that I know and everything that I've learned and everything that I keep learning is in the Royalty Accelerator course. So you can come and see these testimonials, check out the course, and yeah, it's only $97. So I think it's absolutely worth it. And the things you'll learn there, the things I'll email to you, and the things you'll get in the Facebook group is well worth $97. It's probably too cheap, to be honest with you. But yeah, before I end the video, I just wanted to give you a little tip, a little thing that you might not know. So is there still time to publish new books? Well, it depends what type of books you're publishing, really. If you're publishing like a Christmas themed book, it's maybe a little bit too late because the orders are going to stop something around the 15th, 16th, plus the delivery time and plus all the time to get the book through review. So I think it's a little bit late. However, I have seen some Christmas books that are already selling amazingly well this year and they were published in December of last year. So even if you publish it now, there's still a chance that it sells this time next year. So it's definitely still worth doing. But if you want to maximize your royalties right now, I've got a little trick for you. And it all comes down to ISBNs. So I will link the video somewhere over here to show you how to get your own ISBNs. Now it does depend on the country you're in. For example, if you're in the UK, you have to purchase your own ISBNs from Nielsen. If you're in the USA, I think it's from Bowker. And I think if you're in Canada, I think the ISBNs are free, but you have to register for them somehow. But what I have found is that regardless of the type of book you publish, if you use your own ISBN, it kind of goes to the front of the queue. And your book gets published. So that will be published in 1 or 2 days. Whereas if you're publishing a no content journal, for me, that's taking like 7 to 9 days in review. If you're publishing a low content book, it's going to be 1 or 2 days, and probably the same for high content. So just take that into account. If you do really need to get a book out really quick, then consider getting your own ISBNs. But like I mentioned in the ISBN video, ISBNs are way cheaper when you buy in bulk. So I would recommend buying 100 plus at a time, and that'll last you for a good while, no matter how many books you're publishing and no matter in how many formats. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully you've got some insight into when Q4 starts and ends. So like I say, we're roughly around there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we're still going to have huge jumps in royalties from where we all are right now. So I wish you the best, and I will see you in the next video next time you tune in to the Residual Royalty Academy.
They wanna count me out,